Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn business Arabic words with examples. First one, sherikatun. Sherikatun. Sherikatun means company. Company. For example, hadihi sherikati. Hadihi sherikati. Hadihi means this sherikati, my company. This is my company. This is my company. Next one, maktabun. Maktabun. Maktabun means office. Office. For example, hada maktabi. Hada maktabi. Hada means this maktabi, my office. This is my office. This is my office. Next one, mashru'un. Mashru'un. Mashru'un means project. Project. For example, هذا مشروع جديد. هذا مشروع جديد. Means هذا means this مشروع project جديد new. This is a new project. This is a new project. Next one, عقد. عقد. عقد means contract. Contract. For example, وقعت العقد. وقعت العقد. وقعت means I signed the contract. وقعت I signed العقد contract. I signed the contract. Next one, منتج. منتج. منتج means product. Product. For example, هذا منتج جديد. هذا منتج جديد. هذا means this منتج product جديد new. This is a new product. This is a new product. Next one, يدفع. يدفع. يدفع means pays. Pays. For example, يدفع العميل المبلغ. يدفع العميل المبلغ. يدفع means pay. العميل customer. المبلغ the amount. يدفع العميل المبلغ. The customer pays the amount. Okay. Next one, فاتورة. فاتورة. فاتورة means invoice. Invoice or bill. For example, أرسلت الفاتورة إلى العميل. أرسلت الفاتورة إلى العميل. أرسلت means I sent الفاتورة, the invoice, إلى العميل, to the client. I sent the invoice to the client. I sent the invoice to the client. Next one, tasweek. Tasweek. Tasweek means marketing. Marketing. For example, أعمل في قسم التسويق. أعمل في قسم التسويق means I work in the marketing department. أعمل means I work في قسم التسويق in the marketing department. Thank you for watching this video.